Friends, if you want to start a 501c3 nonprofit organization, but the Form 1023 application seems too complicated for you to complete by yourself, and perhaps you may not have the resources to pay a consultant, an accountant, or a lawyer to complete the application for you. Well, I have some good news. I'm inviting you to enroll in my brand new The Form 1023 Academy. This academy will guide you through the steps that I personally use to complete the Form 1023 application for clients I've helped since 2010. I share every single detail of my process in the Form 1023 Academy, and I have early bird registration for only $300 if you enroll by midnight on October the 19th. I even offer payment plans for that too. See you soon.